All right. So what do we got here, right? We got air tools. Everybody has air tools. 3/8, snap-on, Ingersoll Rand half, Matco 3/8, Matco quarter. Pretty good ratchet. Then right here we have a butterfly gun. Uh, some of y'all might not know what it is, but what it was, it's a butterfly. You go this way, it goes one way, it goes that way. It's pretty fast. I got it in 1986. How many of y'all were even around in 1986? Don't know. But anyway, back in the day, yeah, this was the cat's meow. It's been rebuilt twice. Last time it got rebuilt, I put it in here, and so I want to share the story. Uh, all of these tools went into this drawer in December of 2011, and the reason I remember that is because December 2011 is the first time I went to Disney in Florida. It was an awesome trip. Anyway, getting back to the story here, right? So what happened is I had a guy who had bought a Milwaukee half inch, and he said, look how strong this gun is. And the guy went and he took off a lug nut off a tractor trailer, inch and 5/16. I thought at first he was, jerking my chain. So I went, grabbed the torque wrench, torqued the lug nut to 450 pounds. I told him, do it again. He did it again. And I bought my first Milwaukee cordless. And when I got back from Disney, which was January of 2012. And basically, these tools have been sitting around since 2012. I would say about the summer of 2012. Because let's face it, there's a change. Cordless. I mean, yeah, it's a little bit more expensive, but you don't have airlines. I can actually remember having this guy in an airline, this guy in an airline, and this guy in an airline at the same time. 3 airlines. Or having this one in an airline, this one in an airline, and then a buffer on an airline. 3 lines. And, it's just, the other thing is, especially with this guy and this guy, the noise level was way less in the shop. We now have 85% of the work being done is being done with cordless tools, and it's so much quieter, so much easier to work. Versus in the old days, it was like being at a gun range, literally. I mean, it was so loud in the shop, especially if it was kind of enclosed, kind of like a Sears or a Montgomery Ward's or, something like that. I mean, anyway, I thought I'd share my thoughts. But basically, the point here is these tools, I think they're heading towards the less used. And one thing about cordless that I like, you're not tethered by the airline, right? You're not limited by how long that airline is. You can grab a cordless and go anywhere you want, and you don't have to worry about, is there an airline? Will it reach? Am I close enough? The noise was one. The airline is the other part. And really, I mean, cordless is coming into their own. And I mean, there's some good stuff out there, but for me, my personal preference is Milwaukee. And I still carry a half inch in my truck. I carry a Thunder gun. I still carry air ratchet, Ingersoll Rand, a hammerhead. It's like an impact air ratchet. And I don't carry a cordless, a 1/4 inch no more. And I don't carry this guy no more. And I don't carry a 3/8 no more. I just carry a half. I carry a 3/8 hammerhead, Ingersoll Rand. And I carry my die grinder. But that's getting ready to join this in here because I'm going to go buy a Milwaukee cutoff wheel, and I'm going to go buy a Milwaukee grinder. Anyway, like, subscribe, share. Anyway, remember, this is stuff summer of 2012. It's been in here. And, change. That's all I can tell you. Thanks for watching.